So you're waking up in the morning, you're getting ready to get in your car, until you find out your battery doesn't work. Now let's restore this battery to basically new. How you going, everybody? It's Nicholas here, and I want to show you today how to recycle a car battery and make it brand new again. So let's start from the beginning. Here we go. Okay, so the two ingredients that you're going to need are some distilled water and some Epsom salts. Now, don't worry, if you don't have any distilled water, you can just boil the kettle. That's what we call it in Australia, a kettle. I've been over to the USA before, and yeah, that was a long story. But you can always boil some water, let it cool down, and that will take out all the bad stuff, minerals and all that in the water. And let's get started. Okay, so I just want to make a quick update. That is 2 liters of distilled water. That is 375 grams of Epsom salt. Now the ideal ratio is 250 grams of Epsom salt into the distilled water, and let that fully dissolve before you start filling up your terminals on your battery. Okay, I just want to let you know, once you've filled it up, as you can see, it's perfectly level. Now, since these do have the vent holes, you can actually tighten them all the way up. I know you see videos where people charge them and they leave it a little bit loose, but since they've got the holes, I'm happy to tighten them all the way up. But if you're not happy with that, you can just leave them a little bit loose as you do the test drive, and when you've done the test drive, you can tighten them all the way up. But the levels should just be a little bit under the cap line, say about there, and you're ready to go. So let's go see if all this works. And also, if you've got, this is all the old acid out of the battery, and if you want to neutralize that acid, you can use some baking soda. Just tip a cupful in there, and that will no longer be irritating on the skin. That will neutralize all that acid, and you can discard that into a bottle. Okay, so I've been driving around for approximately, I'd say about 20 minutes after jump starting my car. People will be asking, will I need to charge or trickle charge my battery to get it up? You can do that, but if you've got a jump starter, just jump start your car, give it a drive around for about, I'd say about a good 20 minutes. That's going to push some charge into your car, and when you get home and when you turn your car off, let's listen. If it starts, it works. So look at that, didn't even struggle. I'd say job well done. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, that's totally up to you, but I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023, so let's make that happen. See you next time.